You've probably been wondering what that little attachment is that screws underneath the jig. Well, that's to contain the dust when you're mortising out for a flush bolt. Now, it's not that deep, and it's designed for installing the shallow type flush bolts which they use in Russia, and we don't have those. But anyway, I'll show you how it works. So I clamp on the jig just as I normally would with a latch or a lock faceplate, keeping the side of the jig flush with the edge of the door. Now that mark shows that the door's 34mm thick, and so I set the base to 17 on the guide there. Next is to set the depth of the router, and I wouldn't go deeper than the little attachment, otherwise you'll cut straight through it. And I'll do a couple of cuts first, check either side on my pencil mark, see if it's good. And I continue to plunge out most of it, and then I clean the rest up, doing a full pass either side. And the attachment stops the dust from spraying all over my legs and all through my boots, which is quite handy. And if you need to make deeper cuts or longer cuts, you just move the jig as needed. So there you have it.